how to print out your documents in Apple Pages for Mac. Simply head to the top menu over here, not the tool menu, the top menu over here, click File, and you will see option to print at the very bottom here. This should trigger your default printer setup when you can see all of the pages of your documents in the preview on the left. You can select the printer here, and then you can change some basic printing properties, like for example you can decide how many copies or which pages do you want to print. You can also simply uncheck pages here on the preview on the left. Then, if you are happy with all of the settings, you check everything, hit the print button here at the bottom right corner of this pop-up window, and you are done. So that's how easy it is to print projects directly from Pages on your Mac. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.